In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an internal note in Zendesk. First things first, let's get you logged into your Zendesk account. To do this, head over to the Zendesk website. Once there, you'll see a sign in button. Give that a click and you might have to click sign in again, depending on how the page loads for you. Now you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. After you've entered those details, either hit the enter key on your keyboard or click the sign in button to proceed. Once you're successfully logged in, the next step is to navigate to your tickets. Look around for the ticket that contains the internal note you wish to delete. When you've found it, click on the ticket to open it up. Now that you're in your selected ticket, it's time to locate the internal note in question. On the right hand side of the note, you should see 3 dots indicating more options are available. Click there. A menu will pop up giving you several options, but the one you're looking for is mark text for redaction. Go ahead and click on that. What redaction does is it allows you to select specific text to be permanently deleted, which is especially useful for removing sensitive information. After clicking mark text for redaction, you'll be asked to click on the specific text of the internal note that you want to delete. Carefully select the text to ensure that only the information you want to be redacted is highlighted. The next step is straightforward. Once you've highlighted the necessary text, you'll see an option pop up to mark for redaction. Click on that. This action designates the text for removal, but doesn't delete it right away. To finalize the deletion, you have to confirm the action. To do so, look for the redact button, which should now be clickable. When you click redact, Zendesk will ask you to confirm your action, as redaction is permanent and the text cannot be retrieved once deleted. Confirm your choice to proceed. The last step is crucial for the changes to take effect. After redacting the text, you'll need to submit the ticket. At the bottom of the ticket window, there should be an option to submit as open. Clicking this finalizes all your changes, including the redaction of the internal note. What this does is it updates the ticket status and ensures that the redaction is processed correctly. And there you have it, you've successfully deleted an internal note in Zendesk. Remember, redaction is permanent, so always double check the information you're about to remove to ensure no essential details are lost. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes managing your Zendesk tickets a little easier.